Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dolly Hand Truck is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone needing to move heavy items. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a move, a delivery driver, or just someone who frequently hauls boxes, a reliable hand truck can save you time, effort, and your back. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great hand truck and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Harper Truck's Convertible Hand Truck. This versatile hand truck from Harper Trucks is designed to make your moving tasks easier. It can transform from a dolly to a cart, providing flexibility for various loads. As a hand truck, it can handle up to 300 pounds. The large, 8-inch pneumatic wheels and 3-inch swivel casters ensure smooth movement, even with heavy items. Easily converted into a 4-wheel cart that can hold up to 400 pounds. This allows you to carry larger and heavier boxes with ease, saving you time and effort. The glass-filled nylon frame is lightweight yet strong, and the adjustable handle offers 3 different positions. This makes it easy to maneuver and customize for your needs. Equipped with built-in stair glides, it effortlessly moves up and down stairs. Whether you're moving items upstairs or downstairs, this feature simplifies the process. With overall dimensions of 16 inches long, 16.50 inches wide, and 41 inches tall, and weighing only 17.50 pounds, it's easy to store and transport. This adds to the versatility and portability of the moving dolly. What we like. This hand truck converts from a 2-wheel dolly to a 4-wheel cart, offering incredible versatility. If you have to navigate stairs or carry items of varying sizes, this is the perfect solution. It's lightweight yet strong, making it easy to maneuver and handle different loads. What people say. The fact that you can use it as a cart and an upright dolly is an awesome feature. The dense plastic frame enables this dolly to be lightweight and maneuverable, but still feels like it will last a long time. Because it is nylon, it is lighter weight than a steel hand truck, and is much lighter than a steel convertible hand truck 4-wheeled car. It is very easy to lift into and out of the trunk of the car. Number 4. Mount It, Folding Hand Truck, 264 pounds capacity. This lightweight, industrial-grade trolley is designed to make moving heavy items easy. It saves your back and simplifies transport, perfect for home, office, or travel. Built with durable aluminum alloy, it can handle up to 264 pounds. The included bungee cord keeps your item secure, and the large rubber wheels ensure a smooth, quiet ride. The handle extends up to 39.4 inches and adjusts to 3 heights. This versatile dolly is easy to handle, whether you're using it as a hand truck or appliance dolly. Unfolding is simple: extend the handle, step on the nose plate, and load up. This portable dolly requires no assembly, making it ready to use right away. It folds flat for compact storage in vehicles, closets, or garages. Its folded dimensions are 25H x 15W x 2.2D, ideal for tight spaces. A sturdy bungee cord is included to keep your item secure during transport. This feature ensures that your loads stay in place, giving you peace of mind while you move. What we like. This hand truck folds down for compact storage, perfect for those with limited space. If you are looking for a portable dolly that can be easily stored in a car or closet, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction and easy-to-use design make it ideal for various tasks. What people say. It genuinely handles 400 plus lbs if you can physically lift the object. The huge base makes it easy to handle even large, awkward items. It folds flat when not in use, but has a large base platform so that my equipment is secure. Number 3. Harper Truck's 55HA22 300-pound steel hand truck. This hand truck is perfect for light loads. It has a 300-pound capacity, making it ideal for use around the house, garage, or office. It makes moving things easy. Built with heavy-gauge all-steel, this hand truck is made to last. The solid construction ensures reliable durability for all your hauling needs. It's built to withstand regular use. Equipped with 8-inch flat-free wheels, this hand truck rolls smoothly. The solid rubber tread ensures easy movement across various surfaces. You'll appreciate how easy it is to maneuver. The continuous loop handle allows for easy two-hand operation. This design provides better control and maneuverability. It makes it simple to guide and control. The hand truck features a durable, UV-resistant powder coat paint. This finish protects it from the elements and ensures it looks great for years. It's designed for long-lasting performance. Proudly made in the USA, this hand truck requires no assembly. It's ready to use right out of the box. You can start using it immediately. What we like. This hand truck is built with heavy-duty steel and flat-free wheels, ensuring durability and smooth operation. If you like a reliable, low-maintenance option for everyday use, this is a great pick. It's perfect for handling light loads around the house or office. What people say. Used it on smooth garage floor. Used it on pavered driveway and courtyard. Used it on grass. Moved big potted plants before hurricane. Moved bags of topsoil and mulch. Works great. Small in stature, but well built and easy to use in small spaces. Solid wheels will never go flat. Use this thing after having it for a few months to carry a 600 pounds 2 by 2 foot concrete stone from a brick monument. The thing somehow held up. The wheels went fine. And work even 2 years later. Not to mention the only damage to this was to the handlebars, which dented and bent forward a bit just because of the sheer force it took to pick this up, which has down pressure which bent it. But the plate itself didn't bend. And that's the only damage to it, which has changed nothing. It's crazy how strong this is. Number 2. Safco Tuff Truck Hand Truck, 400 pounds capacity. This Safco hand truck makes moving heavy items much easier. It can handle up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for various tasks. The handle's unique design protects your fingers. This feature prevents pinching, even with high stacked loads. The hand truck is built to last with a heavy-gauge tubular steel frame. Welded joints add extra strength and durability. It has a black powder coat finish that resists chipping and scratching. This helps maintain a professional look over time. The product dimensions are 1912W x 1412D x 4512H. It has a weight capacity of 400 pounds. This product is GRN/GURD certified. This means it meets strict standards for low chemical emissions, promoting healthier indoor air. Consider pairing it with other Safco products. The stowaway crate and hideaway convertible hand truck are great options. What we like. This hand truck features a continuous handle and a robust steel frame, designed for heavy-duty hauling. If you need to move heavy equipment or boxes, this is the ideal choice. Its high weight capacity and ergonomic design make it a practical and safe option. What people say. The hand truck is very sturdy and well built. It is easy to maneuver and the wheels roll smoothly. The folding design is convenient for storage. Number 1. Magliner Gemini Senior Convertible Hand Truck. This convertible hand truck is designed for versatility. It easily transforms from a 2-wheel to a 4-wheel truck in seconds, adapting to your needs. With its unique design, this truck offers the functionality of 2 different types of equipment. It's perfect for handling various loads and tasks efficiently. As a hand truck, it can handle up to 500 pounds. When converted to a platform truck, its capacity doubles to 1,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. The strong, lightweight construction reduces user fatigue. This design ensures that it is easy to maneuver while maintaining its durability. The modular design means there are no welds to break, and all parts are replaceable. This extends the product's life, providing long-term value. It lowers driver fatigue by reducing muscle strain. The design of the toe plate is 7.5 inches deep, providing a stable base for your loads. What we like. This hand truck converts from a 2-wheel to a 4-wheel truck, offering versatility and high weight capacity. If you like to handle heavy loads and need flexibility, this is the perfect solution. It's strong, lightweight, and designed to reduce user fatigue. What people say. Very sturdy and well built. Folding into cart mode design is quick. The hand truck converts to platform in seconds, is heavy-duty throughout, and unlike similar products, there are no plastic parts at stress points, should last for many years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.